you guys. This is gonna be nice and easy. Nice and easy, quick and simple. You're gonna go to Dollar Tree and you're gonna get those red, white, and blue. Basically, they look like light bulbs, but they're solar lights. You're also going to get some of those foam, foam balls. They're in the 4th of July decoration section. And all we're gonna do is we're just gonna decorate with hot glue these solar bulbs. Now, I just took mine and I just kind of went in a little pattern around the metal part. But you can do whatever you want to do. I kind of thought about it later and I thought, you know, it might be fun. It might be fun to do like kind of a firework pattern on this, you know, where you're kind of starting at the top and then you're kind of going down across the plastic in rows, so it kind of looks like a firework. So that would be fun because then when the light comes on, it's kind of dispersing the light and showing, you know, showing your firework kind of design that you have. I will say, and you'll notice a little bit later on, I'll show you what these look like when it's dark outside, that the lights in these are not very bright. You can kind of see on the inside of these lights, it's just kind of little fairy lights that they've put in here, so the light isn't super bright. They are very pretty. And then the other kind of notes to take, just for your FYI, don't put anything along the edge of the metal and the plastic, because that is where you need to unscrew the bulb so that you can turn on the function of the bulb. And so luckily I was just above that line there on the metal, and so I was still able to unscrew the plastic part and turn on the switch, the little on-off switch, to turn on the solar functionality, and then screw the plastic part back on. So if you're going to do any sort of a design, or if you're going to, you know, extend your decorations, and you don't have to just use the foam balls, you can use whatever. You can use like little diamond dots, you can use confetti, you can use glitter. It doesn't matter what you want to use. I just thought that decorating these solar bulbs would be fun and cool and just kind of give it that kind of 4th of July patriotic flair. Of course, you guys know that we go all out for the 4th of July at my house, and so anything I can do to make it more red, white, and blue, then I'm definitely going to do it. I did get hot glue literally everywhere, and so I had to go to an alcohol bath and wipe it off. Oh, but yeah, that's just my life. Anyway, but yeah, decorate these however you want, and they will turn out amazing. Just make sure that you don't put hot glue on your metal to plastic part, because then you won't be able to unscrew it. But yeah, anyway, so I just, I ended up getting, I think I got 5 of these red, white, blue bulbs because I have 5 planters. And then I got 5 of the shepherd crooks that you get at Dollar Tree. And I put them right in my rosemary pots. And then you can see this is what they look like in the dark. They're not that bright, but they're just bright enough to kind of give you a little bit of ambiance, a little bit of, just kind of a little bit of glow. I do have other solar lights in my rosemary pots. But for 4th of July, I just think that these look so fun. They just kind of, again, they just give a little bit of pop, a little bit of patriotic flair, and I love them. They turned out so fun. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments.